Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Windows 10 support ends, and your system stops receiving security updates. Treat this as an elevated risk and act quickly to reduce exposure. First, back up your important files to an external drive and a cloud service you trust. Verify backups by restoring a sample file to confirm integrity. Next, disconnect unsupported PCs from sensitive networks and internet access if possible. Isolation reduces the chance of remote exploits and lateral movement by attackers. Hardening Windows 10 can buy time after support ends, but it is not permanent. Enable a hardware firewall and configure it to block inbound traffic by default. Install a reputable third-party antivirus and keep its signatures updated daily. Use a standard local account for daily work and an administrator account only when needed. Enable two-factor authentication on email and cloud accounts to prevent credential misuse. Also update firmware and non-Microsoft apps regularly from vendor sites to close known vulnerabilities. Plan your migration from Windows 10 with clear options and a rollback strategy. First, evaluate hardware to determine if an upgrade to Windows 11 is possible and if drivers are supported by your vendor. If not, consider migrating to a supported Linux distribution or a managed cloud desktop. Create a migration checklist that includes data backups, application compatibility testing, and license transfers. Test the migration on one machine before wider deployment. Keep the old Windows 10 machine offline and available for recovery during transition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.